Hello viewers, welcome back to our channel Career Prep. Today we'll learn about the basics of LCM, a very important topic to solve many questions in competitive exams. Before we begin, please subscribe to our channel. Also press the bell icon to get notifications as soon as we post a new video. So let's start. Basic arithmetic plays an important role in a strong foundation of mathematics. LCM is one such concept that finds importance in school level mathematics, in higher classes, and in various competitive exams. So let's understand what is LCM. The full form of LCM is lowest common multiple or least common multiple. But before we learn about LCM, we have to be clear about the meanings of a few terms like multiple, common multiple, etc. So let's understand the meanings of multiple, common multiple and LCM. When a number divides another number completely, the second number is called a multiple of the first number. So when a number divides another number completely, the second number is called the multiple of the first number. The first number is the factor of the second number and the second number is the multiple of the first number. Let's understand this with an example. 4 divides 36 completely. So 36 is a multiple of 4. 36 is a multiple of 4 and 4 is the factor of 36. You should understand the meaning of factor and multiple correctly. 4 divides 36 completely. So 36 is a multiple of 4 and 4 is a factor of 36. Hope you got that. Now multiples of 4 are many like 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28 and so on. Now let's understand the meaning of common multiple. A number which can be divided completely by the given two or more numbers is called their common multiple. Let's understand this with an example. 6 can be divided completely by each of the two numbers 2 and 3. That is, 6 can be divided by 2 and 6 can be divided by 3. So, 6 is a common multiple of 2 and 3. Hope you understood that. Now, LCM is the lowest number which is completely divisible by each of the given numbers. Let's understand this definition with an example. 6 is the lowest number which is completely divisible by 2 and 3 both. Therefore, 6 is the LCM of 2 and 3. Now there are many other numbers which are divisible by both 2 and 3 like 12, 18, etc. But 6 is the lowest number which is completely divisible by both 2 and 3. Although 18, 12, etc. are divisible by both 2 and 3, you'll find that 6 is the lowest number which is completely divisible by 2 and 3. So 6 is the LCM of 2 and 3. There are many ways to find the LCM of the given numbers. And whichever method you use, the LCM of the numbers will always be the same. There are three methods to calculate the LCM of two numbers. The first method is by listing out the common multiples. The second method is finding the LCM by prime factorization method. The third method is finding the LCM by division method. Let's discuss each method in detail with examples. Let's learn how to find LCM by listing out the common multiples. In this method, you have to first list out a few multiples of each of the given numbers. Then mark the common multiples from the multiples of the given numbers. Finally, you have to select the smallest common multiple. The smallest common multiple is the LCM of the given numbers. Let's understand this method using an example. Let's find the LCM of 6, 7 and 21. First, list out a few multiples of each of the numbers. Multiples of 6 are 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36, 42, 48, 54, 60 and so on. Multiples of 7 are 7, 14, 21, 28, 35, 42, 56, 63 and so on. Multiples of 21 are 21, 42, 63 and so on. You'll find that 42 is the smallest common multiple of the numbers 6, 7 and 21. There may be other common multiples of 6, 7 and 21, but 42 is the smallest common multiple of 6, 7 and 21. So the LCM of 6, 7 and 21 is 42. Let's learn how to find the LCM by prime factorization method. LCM of numbers can be found out by prime factorization method in 3 easy steps. In the first step, find the prime factors of numbers individually. In the second step, from all the factors, identify the maximum number of times each prime factor appears. In the third step, the product of the prime factors occurring in maximum numbers is the LCM of the given set of numbers. Let's understand this with an example. Let's find the LCM of 24 and 300. So first we have to find the prime factors of 24 and 300. So to find the prime factors of 24, first divide 24 by 2, you'll get 12. Divide 12 again by 2, you'll get 6. Divide 6 by 2, you'll get 3. And divide 3 by 3, you will get 1. So the prime factors of 24 are 2, 2, 2 and 3. So 24 can be written as the product of its prime factors as 24 is equal to 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3. Now let's find the prime factors of 300. To do that, divide 300 by 2, you'll get 150. Divide 150 by 2, you'll get 75. Divide 75 by 3, you'll get 25. Divide 25 by 5, you'll get 5. And finally, divide 5 by 5, you'll get 1. So the prime factors of 300 are 2, 2, 3, 5 and 5. So 300 can be written as the product of its prime factors as 300 is equal to 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 5. Now from all these factors you will notice you will have to identify the maximum number of times each prime factor appears. Now 2 appears 3 times in 24 and 2 appears 2 times in 300. So you have to consider 2 appearing 3 times in 24. Now 3 appears only once in 24 and in 300 it does not appear at all. So you consider 1, 3. Now 5 appears 2 times in 300. It does not appear in 24 at all. So consider these two 5s. So LCM is nothing but the product of the prime factors occurring in maximum numbers. So LCM of 24 and 300 is 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 5. Here you have considered 2 appearing maximum number of times, that is 3 times. 3 appears only 1 time and 5 appears 2 times. So the product is 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 5. So 2 multiplied 3 times is 8 and 5 multiplied 2 times is 25. So 8 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 25 is 600. So LCM of 24 and 300 is 600. Now let's understand how to find LCM by division method. You can find LCM by division method in 5 easy steps. In step 1, write the given numbers in a horizontal line, separating them by commas. In step 2, divide the numbers by a suitable prime number which exactly divides at least one of the given numbers. In step 3, put the quotient directly under the number in the next row. If the number is not divided exactly, bring it down as it is in the next row. In step 4, you have to continue the process of steps 2 and 3 till you get the result as 1 in the complete row. Step 5. LCM of the numbers will be equal to the product of all the prime numbers we obtained in the division method. Let's understand this with an example. Let's find the LCM of 10, 18 and 25. First write 10, 18 and 25 in a horizontal row and separate them with commas. Now divide these numbers by 2 first. Here 10 and 18 can be divided by 2. So 10 divided by 2 is 5. Write 5 below 10. 18 divided by 2 is 9. So write 9 below 18. 25 cannot be divided by 2. So write 25 as it is next to 9. Next divide these numbers by 3. 5 cannot be divided by 3, so write 5 as it is in the next row. 9 divided by 3 is 3, write 3 below 9. 25 cannot be divided by 3, write 25 as it is in the next row. Next divide by 3. 5 cannot be divided by 3, so write 5 as it is in the next row. 3 divided by 3 is 1, write 1 in the next row. 25 cannot be divided by 3 completely, so write 25 as it is in the next row. Now divide by 5. 5 divided by 5 is 1. Write 1 as it is. Write 1 in the next row. Write this one as it is in the next row. 25 divided by 5 is 5. Write 5 in the next row below 25. Now again divide by 5. Write this one as it is in the next row. Write this one as it is in the next row. Divide 5 by 5, you will get 1. Write 1 in the 1 below 5. So finally you get 1 1 1 in the last row. Now the factors of 10, 18 and 25 are 2, 3, 3, 5 and 5. So the LCM of 10, 18 and 25 is the product of all these factors. That is 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 5, which is 450. So the LCM of 10, 18 and 25 is 450. Hope you understood this method. Now let's learn about a few properties of LCM. The LCM of any two or more numbers is never less than any of the given numbers. That is, LCM is never less than the given numbers. For example, the LCM of 3, 8 and 12 is 24. Now 24 is not less than any of the given numbers. That is 24 is not less than 3, 24 is not less than 8, 24 is not less than 12. So the LCM of any two or more numbers is never less than the given numbers. Next property. The LCM of two numbers where one of the numbers is a prime number is either their product or the larger number itself. This happens when the other number is a multiple of the prime number. Let's understand this with an example. The LCM of 4 and 5 is the product of 4 and 5. Here 5 is the prime number. So the LCM of 4 and 5 is the product of the numbers. That is 4 multiplied by 5, which is 20. So the LCM of 4 and 5 is 20. Now consider the numbers 7 and 28. Here 28 is the multiple of 7. So the LCM of 7 and 28 is 28. Here 7 is a prime number and 28 is the multiple of 7. So LCM is 28, the larger number. Hope you understood this. The LCM of two numbers where one of the numbers is a prime number is either their product as we found out here or the larger number itself as we found out here. Next property. LCM of two consecutive numbers is their product. For example, look at the numbers 2 and 3. These are consecutive numbers. So LCM of 2 and 3 is their product. That is 2 multiplied by 3, which is 6. So LCM of 2 and 3 is 6. Next property. LCM of two co-prime numbers is their product. For example, look at these numbers 8 and 15. They are co-primes as their HCF is 1. So LCM of 8 and 15 is their product. That is 8 multiplied by 15, which is 120. So LCM of 8 and 15 is 120. Viewers, watch our video on co-prime numbers for more details. Hope you have understood the properties of LCM. Viewers, please go through this video till you are perfect with the concept. Please watch our video on co-prime numbers to become familiar with the concept of co-prime numbers. If you have liked this video, please like, subscribe and share this video. Thank you.